Loading. Yeah! Oh shit! Wow! Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah!
Boom! God damn! We could have been much closer, for sure.
All right.
It is destroyed. Look at
Safety.
it. It's like 20 feet away.
Wow. Oh, awesome. That's like tannerite, baby.
There's the explosion right there.
Wow, dude.
That's gonna go on YouTube.
John, nice shot. Give me a little proud of yourself moment there.
Oh, look at this.
Fucking hell. There we go. Tannerite.
It was in it like right like that. It was like, oh.
They all blew up.
Oh. Yeah, look at the spray pattern.
I mean, it seemed a little smaller than that. Yeah, I was expecting a little more.
Wait, are all the tannerites gone?
Oh, fuck, dude. We got pumpkin up here. Dude. Evan.
Is that where you took a dump?
No.
You took a dump!
Miles, it was this far, dude.
No, well, this, yeah, I'm sorry, yeah. Yeah, that, I felt the wind with that.
Holy shit.
That's quite a good experience.
Wow, there's goop all over the place.
Well, that was worth $40.